Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass factory. Just thought I'd show you what we've been doing on these truck sides. So they had a lot of star cracks in them. So what we've done is we've had to grind all the star cracks out, glass it up, and then fill and sand, and then we put some primer over it. So there was a few holes and stuff also. We've left some of the star cracks in there just because they're getting covered by things. You can see where all the work is we've done with where all the primer is. So it's quite a lot of work. Customer's going to be happy once these are all painted up and back on his truck without any damage, because there was also some chunks missing out of the sides of them as well. So what we have to do with the star crack, you can see here that there's a star crack where the gel coat's cracked. So what you need to do is you need to grind it out, and then you need to put a very thin amount of fiberglass over it, sand that back, and then fill it, and then you can prime it from there. So it's not particularly difficult. It just takes a long time when you've got lots of star cracks, and it's prone where there's lots of movement or it's been hit and shunt over the years. It's prone to star cracking the gel coat because there's no reinforcement in the gel coat. All right, we'll see you on the next video.